guys, I'm Simone. Thanks for hanging out with me. So today I got 4 more boxes of Series 7. I am 5 away from finishing this set. And if I cannot get my 5, I am done. I will buy no more because I am like over all these doubles. I need Alpha from Up. I need both Mickeys. I need the light Cheshire Cat. And I need Violet from The Incredibles, and that's it. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, let's see. I'm just gonna open up the boxes and dump them all out. I can figure out where. Let's see how many we have in here first. So it looks like we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. Okay, number 1. I guess I should have dumped them out before. We have 5. Yep. Okay. Just gonna throw it on the floor. We have another 5. Dump them all out. And the last box, we have 6. Okay guys, let's start. Oh my god. Number 1. Okay, I'm not even gonna look. You guys get to see it first. Yeah, Doc. How many times do I have him? Like 4 or 5 times now. I'm going insane with these things. I just want to finish it. We have, no, that's Angry, right? Have him like twice. I'm just gonna go. If I can open these. Pair of scissors. All right. We have another Hank. And he looks like he's the pink. Because I can see a little bit of pink. I mean, most of you guys, I'm sure, are familiar with these Doorables now. For the ones that are not. The snake from Jungle Book. I can't read it, of course. Kia or something like that. I'm horrible with names. But there is 50 to collect. You have your limited and you have your regular ones. Well, I shouldn't say regular ones because they all have a dot on the bottom and each dot has a different colors. You got your white, which is common. You got your green, which is rare. You got your blue, ultra rare, and the pink, which are the limited edition. So this is from The Princess and the Frog. Let me see if there's these small. One moment, please. Oh, here we go. Okay, Princess and the Frog. That was Charlotte, which is rare. Now, this is limited edition. And Angry, I think, is common. And then we have Frogtiana, which is rare. Come on, Mickey. Incredible. Mr. Incredible, which is common. I should seriously, all of them, I should know what they are. I saw blue. Oh no, it's Elsa from from Frozen, and she's rare. All right. We have Sadness. Is that Sadness? Disgust. from inside out, and she's common. Mowgli, he's from the Jungle Book, one of my favorite movies, and he is common. Not looking good. Not even one. There. What's his name from The Princess and the Frog? Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. He is Louis, and he is common. Louis is cute. Louis is cute. Okay. No. No, 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 no. And he is, let's see what he is. He looks yellow, orange, I don't know. Limited edition. And I'm starting to get really disappointed. Oh, Fifi. Fifi from The Beauty and the Beast. Which she is she common? Common. She is rare. Rare and cute. Oh. There is, I can tell you already, by the way it feels, it's from Inside Out. It's his name Sadness, or what is he? Fear. I got him 3 times now. I'm Fear. 3 times. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 more to open. The Beast from The Beauty and the Beast. And he is common. I have 2 extra. Yep, I am most definitely done with that set because I need 5, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is not one I need. Nope. Check from The Incredibles. Jack. Let's see, what is Jack from The Incredibles? Jack is common. Okay. I don't know why it is so hard for me to get Violet. Elsa. Frozen. Let it go. I'm going insane. Oh man. I love this character, but Carl, I think this is number 6 from Up, and he is common. As far as I remember, let's see. Yes, he's common. You guys should see my doubles. Wow. Insane. I'm gonna take a photo and you will see it somewhere popping up. Oh, it's Olaf from Frozen. I think I can almost start a whole nother collection. Yeah, I think so. And Olaf is common. Okay. Yep, I am most definitely done with this collection. Look, it's Duck again. Because, wow, how many do I have now? Duck. Not even 1, and all I have is 2 left. Not even 1. Yeah. Could it be Violet from The Incredibles? Violet, where are you? She is ultra rare. No wonder why I can't find her. All right. One out of how many? Wow, that's insane. Be nice if I would get Mickey now, but this does not feel like Mickey or the Cheshire Cat or... Another cute Olive. Olaf, that is. So, guys, I don't know. I'm 4 away, but I think I'm done because I can't, like, these doubles are driving me insane. I think I'm gonna, like, yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. So, I always do this, okay? Found one. So let's go, Mickey! Treasure Cat! Somebody! No! It is. And I was looking for him, trying to find him for the longest time from The Incredibles, which is rare. It's Syndrome. Is his name Syndrome? Got him twice now. Alright, so guys, that is it. No more. I'm going to do a count real quick. So, one moment. No, not working. So, if I count it correct, out of 25, I have 1. That is not a double. So, guys, let me know in a comment below if you would like to trade, or I don't know, which one of the characters do you think is cute? Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Ciao, ciao.